going to try to clean this floor. Got me some Zep, says driveway and concrete cleaner. Mixing instructions said to do it light soil, light dirt, 6 ounces to a gallon. Heavy soil, 12. So I did 12 to a gallon and a half of water to dilute it down. I'm going to go over here and try a small spot beside the back door and do like the instructions said. Put it on there, scrub it around, let it set for 10 minutes, and I'm going to take the pressure washer and rinse it off, get all the soap and stuff off of it, and see what kind of a job it does. I've never used this before. A lot of people say it's good, but I don't want to spray it out here in the middle of the floor and make a mess and mess up my floor. So I'd rather try it on a spot over there. So I'll get y'all set up over there so y'all can watch, and I'll be right back. Okay, that did just about zero, nothing. I guess I'm gonna mix it a little stronger and try that and see if it'll penetrate the dirt that's in here. Let me try that. I'll be back. Okay, I added a good bit more, basically roughly 60 ounces. That's what's in there now to that gallon and a half of water. Especially probably half of the jug. So I'll let this soak, I'll scrub it in, I'll let it soak and we'll see what it does. So the power company came today and hooked me up a new meter. So we got power. Got all that hooked up today. So I got lights and electricity. We're going to show you the lights. These lights work really good, really good.
Well, it's like daylight in here.
Yep. And what we want to show you, one thing is of course, the first clip you saw was the Zep, and we just kind of fast forwarded through that. It didn't work. I tried, you know, adding strength to it more and more, and it just wouldn't pull the stain up off the floor. So my neighbor brought a small bottle of this over, and he said, "Here, try this." So I tried a little spot. It took the stain up. So I probably used about, what, 3 or 4 gallons? Maybe 4 or 5 gallons of this stuff. But mix it half and half.
And
And
here's
mix it up, and you can see
the difference.
the difference in the floor. Some sections we got maybe cleaner than others, but this is probably as good as I'm going to get it. And you can see I've cleaned half of this, and the back part is still dirty. So I'm going to clean that back half right there, and then this other section, and I'll be done. I'm going to go ahead and seal it and let that be it. Okay.
Right.
As you can see, I tried to find some good help, but I couldn't find any. So I just got Cindy to help me do this.
Aw, man.
No, she does a pretty good job. She works hard. But it is a job cleaning a floor like this, so stay on your contractors and don't let them mess it up. Or make them clean it like this, which I should have done, but I didn't. But it's just about done now. So got one more section, I'll be done.